Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In Python, modules are files containing Python code, and packages are directories containing one or more modules. To use modules from different packages, you'll need to understand how Python's import system works. This tutorial will walk you through the process of importing modules from different packages, and it includes code examples to illustrate the concepts. In Python, you can import a module using the import statement. Here's a basic example of how to import a module. This statement imports the mymodule module. You can then access the functions, classes, or variables defined in mymodule using dot notation, like mymodule.sum_function. If the module you want to import is in the same package or directory as your current Python script, you can use a simple import statement. The dot indicates that you are importing a module from the current package or directory. To import modules from different packages, you need to specify the package's name along with the module's name. For example, if you have a package structure like this. If you want to import module 3 from package 2 into a Python script in the same directory, you can do this. You can use aliases when importing modules to provide a shorter or more convenient name to use in your code. This can be helpful when working with long module names. Here's an example. Now you can use m3 instead of package 2.module 3 in your code. Sometimes, you only need specific functions or variables from a module. You can import them directly using the from keyword. For instance, this imports only function _name from package 1.module 1, and you can use it directly as function _name. You can conditionally import a module based on specific conditions in your code. For example, if you want to import different modules based on the user's choice, you can do it like this. This way, you import the appropriate module based on user input. Importing modules from different packages in Python is a fundamental skill for organizing and reusing code. Understanding the import system and using aliases, specific imports, and conditional imports allows you to efficiently work with modules and packages in your Python projects. ChatGPT